Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, let's go over how to better protect the interior of your vehicle. So behind me, this is my 2025 Toyota Tacoma. We will be installing the Lasfit all-weather floor mats. Now I've actually had these for about 3 months, so I'll also go over what it's been like having them the last 3 months and how it has better protected the interior for my truck. So I have a link down in the description below where you can purchase these for your Tacoma or other vehicles. So they make all-weather floor mats for several different brands, makes, and models, so you can better protect the interior. So let's first go over what the original floor mats look like for the Tacoma. For the TRD Off-Road, you'll notice Tacoma TRD Off-Road, which is a nice touch to see. Of course, we just have the regular carpet here, and they're also attached on the backside here, so that way it doesn't push the carpet forwards, which is a great design. From previous Tacomas, they didn't have those, and it always slid up forwards. So it's a really nice design. However, there's not that much coverage. You'll notice that you can see the entire dead pedal exposed. It stops just underneath the gas and brake pedal, and then obviously there's nothing on the sides or edges or in the back here or even on the door sill. So it's nice. Obviously you would just have your feet mainly here, but it doesn't give you enough coverage for entering and exiting when you kick up a lot of debris and dirt from your shoes, of course. And then for the rear, we do have a really small carpet here where you can see a lot of underneath it, so it's really not going to protect. You can easily have items slide underneath it too. There's nothing for the middle here, and then obviously over on that passenger side. So they look good, they just don't give you the coverage that you need, especially when you're daily driving, and if you own a truck, you're going to job sites, you're going off-road, you are in anything other than pavement, you're going to get these pretty dirty. So here is the kit for the Tacoma, where we have the front and then a one solid piece for the rear. Now, for pickup trucks in general, you can also opt for bed mats from Lasfit. I do not currently have that. As you can tell, I have a pretty dirty bed at the moment. So this would be a similar process if you had the larger mat where you can put it in the bed. You can also get one for the tailgate as well. So I'm sure those would be very helpful, especially with how slippery this is. I have noticed items will just slide if you're not on level ground. So you have a lot more grip from these rubber all-weather floor mats. That would definitely be a great addition to get for your truck. So with these, let's first go ahead and wash them. Like I've said, I've had these for about 3 months now. I've only cleaned them one time, and I just have a bucket of soap and water, and this is super easy to do. Now, with the factory carpeted floor mats, you would get the vacuum out, you'd have to vacuum them. You might not get everything completely out just because of the fabric and the material and whatever may be stuck in them. With these, they're not too dirty at the moment, but all I'm going to do is just scrub them down with this soap and water, and that's all I really have to do. What's nice about these two and the material is that these will dry very, very quickly. So probably by the time I'm done washing the rear pad there, the fronts will be dry, and I can of course dry them off with a rag too. Now I'm not sure if you're able to tell, but there's actually some dirt that is coming off of this at the moment. So the water is turning a little bit brown, which is again something you really wouldn't be able to see or get out of the carpet unless you really have a lot of dirt to mess with. So just like that, I think we're good with the driver one. And over the last 3 months, I've had grass in here, I've had dirt, there's been some debris just from the situations I've been in, going off the pavement and things like that. And this is super easy to do. So honestly, I would rather do this than vacuum them out like I have done in the past, just because you can't really get everything out with the vacuum. And it's about a 10-minute job, and I have everything washed, dried, and ready to install. So this is how we will remove now the factory carpeting, where as you can tell, they are pretty clean at the moment just because I've had them stored out of the way, but there's even some dirt just moving around the truck so far that has got in them and might be a little bit stuck. So you have to go through and pick it out or get the vacuum out and really try to get them out of the way there. But let's go ahead and take a look at the difference now between the sizing of the factory carpet and this all-weather Lasfit floor mat. This is going to give us a lot of coverage, and it's easy to install and utilizes these factory locations. And with this upper lip here, it's actually going to cover some of these electronics here, so that way you can have those nice and protected. It's going to run along the door sill here, cover the dead pedal. It extends further behind your brake and gas pedal here, and then upwards on a quarter of this carpeting here. So this is going to give you a lot of protection where you won't have any of this hidden underneath. So it's easier, of course, to clean in here, but as you can tell, I mean, there's still little pieces in the back. So that is exactly what you would see around the stock carpeting, where all of that is now going to be placed on top, so you can easily remove this, clean it, and put it back in. And the passenger side is going to be the exact same process. We do have a little bit different design, of course, for the carpeting here, but as you can tell, we have all of this coverage here that we need. So it's going to go up where mainly your passengers will rest their feet, so up on this upper section here. And then same thing, we have a protection against all of those there. It's on the door sill here and about halfway up. And then this is the biggest difference with the Tacoma. Take a look at how large the rear passenger floor mat is. It actually extends from door panel to door panel and has this middle section here for the hump right in the middle. This is your driver's side passenger floor mat. Look at how small that is compared to the coverage of this all-weather Lasfit floor mat. So very impressive to see how large that is. It's just going to take a little bit of time now to wiggle this in place. So I would recommend moving both of these seats forwards. That's just going to give you a little bit more space to wiggle this mat in. So it's not really all that difficult. As you can tell, half of it is already done, where it comes up on the door sill a little bit, and we have a lot more coverage, even going under the seat here where there's a lip, so anything can catch and stop right there. And then on the passenger side, I guess it is pretty easy, even with this seat moved back almost all of the way. We can easily put that down. We now have coverage in the middle. So there we have it, the installation process for these Lasfit all-weather floor mats. Even cleaning them and reinstalling them, this took less than 15 minutes. So it's a really easy process in order to better protect your interior along with your bed as well. So if you have a pickup truck, you want to look for the all-weather floor mats for your bed, you have that available as well. So take a look at the link down in the description below where you can purchase this kit for your Tacoma along with several other vehicles. This is by far the best way to better protect your interior and keep it looking like it just came off the showroom floor. So if you enjoyed today's full review and install, give it a huge thumbs up and consider smashing that subscribe button so you can stay up to date with our daily uploads. I will see you all in the next video.